This is Joe again. It's still the 19th. This is the third. I'm trying to make him shorter, but this is the third video. Just shows what kind of progress I am or am not making. I worked mostly in the secret room yesterday, and now I'm going to be spending more time putting in the boxes here. One of the things that you do is I made the holes through the beams. The uprights all have holes drilled through them to pass the wire, and those are 24 inches above the floor. The actual outlets will go 15 inches above the floor. There's a rule that says you have to put one brad, which is like a giant staple, to secure the wire before it enters the box, and within like 8 inches of the place where it enters the box. So that's why they're not identically the same. And at some point I'll be spending time fishing the wires through so that all of this will be ringed with wire. Now I'm actually trying to decide, do I want to have one circuit just go from there to where the upper sub panel will be through this wall and end behind the chimney? Or should I have that one circuit go around the whole room and end over there? Because in the long run, I'm also going to have outlets on this wall, which is an interior wall. And where will that hook up into the power source? But those are questions that will be decided. This is a picture. Here's in the video are some outlet boxes. These get nailed to the upright, and there's little things you need to know about how to nail them. They have to still protrude out a little bit because of the sheetrock. And like on the other side, those two little strings indicate that those are following the track of the hole where the wire will go around the corner. And all that stuff. So that's kind of the story from here. Now I removed all the boards that were above the rafters, but I left these on, and I'm really hoping this will be okay for the foam guy to work through these, because these are what the beaverboard were attached to. They're 16 inches on center. If they have all of these intact, that means it's going to be really easy for me to put a ceiling up in here and save me hours of work replacing those. So I'll be interested to see what they say. Next, while we're up here, this is an example of why you rip out old wiring here. We have junctions of where they splice two wires together and just kind of put them, twisted them together, covered them up with old hockey stick kind of cloth tape, and there it is. Now, if someone yanks on one of those, oh, the other piece is, yeah, that's pretty funny that that's there, but 2 feet away, there's this. So they can splice the wire, and they got away with it for, 100 years probably, since whenever they put those wires in, but that's not acceptable anymore. When you have a joint like that needs to be spliced, it's done within a, what's the name of the part? It's done within a special little container that's an octagonal box that's used to, a junction box. Because that'll be more secure and less likely to become loose, because it's harder for somebody to inadvertently pull on it or mess with it. So that's kind of the news with this, and I'm getting all the work done, and we'll probably won't remove all of that until either we get the other wires live, or else just before the foaming will be to remove all this. It's all going to go. at some point, and then I'm sure there'll be a period of time where we are working with extension cords running up from below in this part of the house, but that isn't here yet. And not so much else to say. Catch you later. Bye.